Today I am going to teach you about strip blouse. It is also known as Bombay Cut blouse. Length is 12 inches, chest 10 inches, shoulder 5.5 inches, armhole 6 inches, length of neck is also 6 inches, width of the neck is 2.5 inches. Let me draw and show you. Total length is 13 inches. We have taken 2 inches extra. Chest 10 inches means the blouse is 40 inches. Here, chest would be 10 inches and its 4-time measurement would be 40 inches. Chest 10 inches, neck 2 inches, shoulder 5.5 inches, length of armhole 5.5 inches, length of neck is 6 inches. This way, mark the dot in round shape. Chest 10 inches, I am taking 1 inches extra so that 36 inches blouse would be ready. This is how we will mark 1 inches extra and draw in round shape. That was for the back side and this is for the front side. On the dot of half inches, mark the measurement in round shape. Up next, the length of the strip is 11 inches. 12 inches from the other side. Join the marking from 12 inches to 11 inches as shown. After that, mark 8 inches this way, 3 inches and mark the chalk on the gap of 2 inches in all 4 sides. Mark the chalk on 2 inches gap. So here we have our strip blouse and Bombay cut blouse drawing is ready, and now we will start cutting. This is how we will cut the strip and will open up the big portion. Strip is cut from both the sides. This is how we will place it. Put it this way, press it, and this is how we will get the same marks. See, we have got the same marks here also. This way we will mark the chalk on the light areas. We will give extra half inches to the downward strip. Remaining all strips would be marked lightly in the triangle shape. Here we have the shape of the fitted blouse. Now we will do the drawing on the back side of the blouse. Back of the blouse is 14 inches, which means 12 inches for ready blouse and 2 inches extra. "12 inches for ready blouse and 1.5 to 2 inches extra for whip stitching." Neck of the back side of the blouse is 2 inches and length would be 8 inches. Marking 2.5 inches in downwards for the triangle neck and will join it from the upper side. Mark 5.5 inches for shoulder and 6 inches for armhole. Mark a dot on 10 inches and 3 inches extra for the stitching. Draw in round shape. So here we are done with the armhole on the back side. So let's cut it out. Now we will take the remaining cloth and will draw the arms. Width would be 8 inches and this way we will take the measurement. This is how we will take the measurement in sideways and it is 8 inches. So the width of the arm would be 8 inches and length would be according to our liking. Here I have taken 6 inches length of the arm and marked dot on 1 inches for whip stitching and half inches for sewing. This way we will join both the arms. We will cut both the armhole together. Shoulder of the arm would be 6 inches and width would be 8 inches. And length would be 6 inches. We will mark a dot on 3 inches from the loose side and join it from the sideways with the shoulder. Draw in round shape and join with the arm. See? This way we will cut the arms will open from both the sides. Here we have done the cutting for arms. See, we have cut both the arms. This is how we will put it together and cut extra half inches. Here we have cut half inches and marked the dot for cutting. So this is done. Now we will cut sideways for the piping of the neckline. Let's take piping for the neck. Now we will join the corners and then we'll stitch on the neck. Now we'll mark the dot 1.5 inches for button strip and 3 inches for running strip. Now we will cut it according to the strip measurement. So here we have the drawing and cutting for the strip blouse is done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then do share and like this video.